So, welcome everyone. So, how you can repair corrupt files in your Windows operating system using SFC? So, how you can do that? Okay. So, first of all, let's go to the start bar. Okay, and search here CMD. Okay, and you can run the CMD with system administrator rights. Okay, so run as system administrator. Okay, so click on and yes. Now you can see I have opened my CMD. Okay, I can make it bigger a little bit. Okay, now run the command sfc slash scannow. Okay, it will take a little bit time and it will take time, so just wait and wait. Okay, when it complete, restart your system operating system and turn on again, and you can see it will repair your corrupted files. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for So I'll stop the process here. Okay, so thank you. If you want to stop it, press Ctrl C and it will stop. So thank you.